name is Shrishti Chawla and today I am going to talk about basket of WPI. WPI or Wholesale Price Index is an index that measures the changes in the prices of goods traded in bulk by wholesale businesses. The index is published by the Office of Economic Advisor under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It helps in tracking inflation trends and is vital for policy making and taking other decisions such as setting interest rates and other monetary policies. Coming to the basket of WPI, WPI in India is based on a fixed basket of goods that represents the economy's production output. This basket comprises broadly of three components, which are primary articles having weightage of 22.6%, which include food articles such as cereal, pulses, fruits and vegetables, non-food items such as oilseeds, raw cotton, raw jute, and minerals such as iron ore and others. The second is fuel and power of weightage 13.2%, which includes fuel products such as coal, crude oil, natural gas and petroleum products, electricity and prices related to electricity generation and supply. The third is manufactured products having highest weightage of around 64.2%, including textiles such as yarn, garments, fabrics, chemicals such as basic chemicals, fertilizers, pharmaceuticals, machinery, processed foods and dairy products, and others such as metal, goods and construction materials. Other important points related to WPI is the current base year for all India WPI is 2011 and 12. The basket is updated every 5 years to ensure it reflects current market conditions and production patterns. Unlike CPI, WPI does not include services and focuses solely on goods, making it a more production focused index. Thank you.